to day 38 of the 40 days of pours. Here are yesterday's dried result. It's kind of hard. It looks better as you get closer. It's really hard to see with the shimmer that it has, but it looks so cool when you get up close to this. It's so amazing. Okay, and today we're gonna do another double canvas type thing. A lot of people I've seen use a paintbrush in between the canvases. I'm just going to use a chopstick, and I've already laid down my black paint. I didn't think there was any silicone in it, but I don't know. There might be a little bit, I'm not sure. So today I'm just going to do some nice layers in the cup with my favorite combination. I'm gonna start with silver and quinacridone magenta, phthalo blue, and gold. So I'm just gonna start by swirling this over this. I think I'm going to go ahead and do my cup again, but only in reverse. So I'm going to do gold first, and then I will be back with that. We're going back in. I think I'll just start over here actually. Right, and now time to separate this craziness. I'm actually going to put some black down to try to help it flow a little better. Okay, that looks really, really, really cool. I am going to bring you guys in for a close-up. Okay, here we are for our close-up. Oh my gosh, you guys. I love this so much. This is so cool. Wow. I love metallics. I love what they bring to paintings. Oh, this is so cool. I think this right here is like my favorite corner. I love the little loopies like that. Oh, this is so cool. And that is my favorite part right there. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will be back tomorrow to show you the dried result.